Nyama, nyama. Oh, mama.
You need to start hanging around your cousin. He bad influence on you. If you trying to do something with your life while you doing that, move. Where's my stuff?
Damn, mom. You making chicken too?
Not for you, for me.
You got no potatoes?
I just did grocery shopping.
What's it?
I'm gonna do white rice.
You want to eat that hamburger dry?
I'm not playing with you. Stay out my room too. Yeah, don't go in my room. You already put them clothes in the dryer.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Who is that?
Me.
Where you getting? You better not went in my room because my camera's in there and gonna see you.
I ain't going to do
And do me a favor. Tell them to come out down and eat.
Huh?
Tell them to come eat.
Tell me.
Your brothers.
Hey, buddy.
Where they at?
Who wins this hotel?
Dora ordered them. She ordered wings because she didn't want no what's the name. Where y'all going?
Who?
You, why would you go
I
down?
want this tomorrow.
What you wearing at tomorrow for?
What you want me to wear?
I don't know.
It's just I want some hoodies, some joggers.
He the first one to look out. Huh? You sleepy? That's why you go to bed on time.
You feel me? That's how you make me feel done. They have eyes to bring them in. You right here with me on this whole ride. You can watch me. Look. You know what I'm saying? Look, bitch, we grinding right now. Just
Yeah. Did you rinse it out before you using it?
like a Jordan story.
Y'all bitches in my business. I told you about that. No, I do not get perms. And when they don't get what they want to eat, they want to make a fuss. That's not what we doing. They gonna eat their food, and they gonna goddamn what's the name? And then how they gonna go? If I let that little boy eat cereal all day, that's what he gonna eat. He's gonna eat that food. I'm not playing with him. He wanna eat cereal all day. No, that's all we wanna eat. It's either that or he's there going to bed. After y'all get done doing that, get into what's the name? I'm not dealing with that shit. They're gonna eat what I goddamn cook. Eat up. That's why eat up. You ain't finna be seeing just eat damn cereal all the time. Eat that food up. You full? Get the rest of the dolce you don't want it. Nope, eat it. Give me some. Boy, they have as good as... You said Rich being picked. Give me some more. You didn't want the camera on you? Huh? Doja? You didn't want the camera on you? You didn't care? This food is not dry. I want y'all to get up on it. What is dry about this?
Shit's cold.
I said you should have warmed it up. He just want to eat cereal all day. And he ain't. That's all. Yeah, that hamburger was good. Girl, they ate it and cleaned the fucking plate. Roy said he didn't like it. Exactly, and the time before that too, right? I don't got time for these goddamn crazy ass children. They are spoiled and they picky. I don't have time for that. They gonna eat whatever I pick up today I want to cook.
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.